How does social media increase brand awareness? Social media has become an essential part of our daily lives, and it offers numerous opportunities for businesses to increase brand awareness. Increased visibility. Social media platforms allow businesses to connect with a massive audience, making it easier to increase brand visibility. By consistently sharing quality content, businesses can reach new audiences, increasing the chances of potential customers becoming aware of their brand. Engagement. Social media platforms provide an opportunity for businesses to engage with their audience in real time. By actively participating in social media conversations, businesses can create a positive brand image and generate word-of-mouth marketing. Content marketing. Social media platforms are a great way to distribute content and drive traffic to your website. By creating valuable and informative content, businesses can showcase their expertise and increase brand awareness. Influencer marketing. Social media platforms provide an opportunity for businesses to collaborate with influencers who have a large following. Influencers can help businesses reach new audiences and increase brand awareness. Paid advertising. Social media platforms offer a variety of paid advertising options that can help businesses increase brand awareness. By targeting specific audiences and creating compelling ads, businesses can reach a larger audience and increase brand awareness.